In the symphony of power tools that fill a woodworker's workshop, few instruments command as much respect and versatility as the router. Like a sculptor's chisel or a painter's brush, the router transforms raw wood into works of art, carving paths through timber with precision that would make medieval craftsmen marvel. At the heart of this woodworking renaissance lies a crucial decision that every craftsperson must face: choosing between a fixed base or plunge router. As we delve deeper into the world of routers, we'll explore the nuanced characteristics that set these tools apart, from their mechanical hearts to their practical applications in the workshop. Whether you're a seasoned craftsperson looking to expand your arsenal or a newcomer seeking your first router, this comprehensive guide will illuminate the path to making an informed decision that aligns with your woodworking aspirations. Depth adjustment mechanism. Fixed-base routers incorporate a precision-engineered depth adjustment system that relies on threaded mechanisms or rack and pinion gearing for exact depth control. The cutting depth is set by rotating an adjustment ring or using micro-adjustable dials, typically calibrated to 1/64-inch increments, ensuring exceptional accuracy in repeated cuts. This system remains locked in position once set, making it particularly valuable for production work where consistency is paramount. The mechanism typically includes reference scales and positive stops, allowing woodworkers to return to previous settings with confidence. Plunge routers feature a more sophisticated depth adjustment system built around spring-loaded columns that enable smooth vertical movement. These tools incorporate depth stops, often with turret systems, allowing preset depths for multiple pass operations. The plunge mechanism includes precision ground columns and bearings that maintain alignment throughout the plunge action, while depth scales and micro-adjusters enable fine-tuning of cut depths. Modern plunge routers often include electronic depth control systems with digital readouts for enhanced precision. Locking mechanism. Fixed-base routers employ a robust locking system that securely clamps the motor housing in position. This mechanism typically consists of a lever or cam lock system that, when engaged, creates a rigid connection between the motor and base. The simplicity of this design contributes to exceptional stability and reduces the likelihood of depth changes during operation. Many models feature secondary lock mechanisms for additional security during heavy-duty applications. Plunge routers utilize a more complex locking arrangement incorporating spring tension adjustments and multiple locking points. The system includes plunge lock levers, depth stop locks, and fine adjustment locks, all working in concert to maintain precise control during plunge operations. Advanced models feature quick-release mechanisms and ergonomic lever designs that enable smooth transitions between locked and free plunge states. Weight and handling. Fixed-base routers typically weigh between 6 to 8 pounds, with compact models being even lighter. Their streamlined design concentrates mass closer to the work surface, improving balance and reducing operator fatigue during extended use. The simplified construction eliminates unnecessary weight while maintaining structural integrity for professional applications. Plunge routers generally weigh 8 to 12 pounds due to their additional mechanical components. The extra weight, while potentially more fatiguing, provides enhanced stability during plunge operations. The weight distribution is carefully engineered to maintain balance throughout the plunge range, with ergonomic handles positioned for optimal control and comfort during extended use. Cost considerations. When comparing models with similar features, plunge routers typically command a higher price point than their fixed-base counterparts. This price difference is attributed to their more complex construction, requiring durable materials for the moving parts like springs and stainless steel arms that must withstand repeated compression and extension. Stability and control. Fixed-base routers offer superior stability and control due to their constant bit position and simpler design. They provide more accurate cuts and are easier to master, making them ideal for beginners. Plunge routers require more skill to maintain steady control, as the spring mechanism can create resistance during operation, but they offer better control for vertical movements. Learning curve. Fixed-base routers are generally more beginner-friendly, offering easier operation and quicker mastery for newcomers to woodworking. Plunge routers have a steeper learning curve and require more practice to achieve precise results, but they offer greater capabilities once mastered. Professional recommendations. For beginners or those primarily focused on edge work and basic routing tasks, a fixed base router provides an excellent starting point. However, for workshops requiring versatility and the ability to handle diverse projects, a plunge router or a combination kit might be the better investment. Many professional woodworkers recommend having both types available, as each excels in specific applications. Power and performance. Fixed base routers typically offer power ratings ranging from 1.25 to 3.25 horsepower, with most professional models falling in the 2 to 2.25 HP range. This power band provides sufficient torque for most woodworking applications while maintaining manageable control characteristics. The direct mounting of the motor to the base ensures efficient power transfer to the cutting bit, minimizing power loss through mechanical components. The simplified design also contributes to better heat dissipation, allowing for extended operation without performance degradation. Plunge routers generally match these power specifications, but often incorporate more sophisticated motor control systems. These include soft start mechanisms, variable speed control with electronic feedback, and overload protection circuits. The additional mechanical components in the plunge mechanism can slightly reduce power efficiency, but this is typically offset by the enhanced control features. Many professional-grade plunge routers also include advanced cooling systems to manage the heat generated during complex cutting operations. Dust collection capabilities. Fixed base routers traditionally offer basic dust collection features, typically incorporating a simple port for vacuum attachment. The streamlined design can actually enhance dust collection efficiency by creating a more direct path for debris removal. Modern fixed-base models increasingly feature integrated dust shrouds and improved port designs that capture a higher percentage of wood chips and dust, particularly during edge routing operations. Plunge routers generally provide more sophisticated dust management systems, often including adjustable dust shrouds that maintain effectiveness throughout the plunge range. The design typically incorporates larger dust ports and more comprehensive shrouding to capture debris generated during plunge cuts. Advanced models feature dual-port systems that can be connected to workshop dust collection systems, significantly improving workplace cleanliness and air quality. Electronic features. The electronic capabilities of modern fixed-base routers have evolved significantly, now including features like variable speed control, soft start, and constant speed under load. These features enhance control and cutting quality across different materials and bit sizes. Some professional models incorporate digital speed displays and electronic brake systems for improved safety and precision. Plunge routers often feature more advanced electronic systems, including digital depth readouts, programmable depth stops, and sophisticated motor control circuits. These systems can maintain constant speed under varying loads, crucial for clean cuts and complex operations. Many high-end models also include LED work lights, electronic depth scales, and even Bluetooth connectivity for remote monitoring and control. Bit compatibility and changing. Fixed-base routers typically accept both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collets, with professional models often including both sizes as standard equipment. The bit changing process is straightforward, with good access to the collet when the motor is fully extended from the base. Many models feature spindle locks and wrench storage integrated into the tool body, simplifying the bit replacement process. Plunge routers offer similar bit compatibility, but often provide enhanced bit changing features. These may include above-table height adjustment capabilities, quick-release collet systems, and integrated collet cleaning tools. The plunge mechanism can actually facilitate easier bit changes by allowing the collet to be raised well above the base for improved access. Ergonomics and user comfort. Fixed-base routers emphasize ergonomic design through balanced weight distribution and comfortable grip positions. The handles are typically molded to fit the natural hand position, reducing fatigue during extended use. Control switches and adjustment mechanisms are positioned for easy access while maintaining a secure grip on the tool. Plunge routers incorporate more complex ergonomic considerations due to their additional functionality. The plunge action requires carefully designed handle positions and spring tensions to maintain comfort during vertical movements. Advanced models feature adjustable handle positions, customizable plunge resistance, and vibration reduction systems to enhance user comfort during extended operations. Workshop integration. Fixed-base routers excel in table-mounted applications, where their simple depth adjustment mechanism and stable mounting characteristics make them ideal for router table use. Many models feature above-table adjustment capabilities and quick-release mounting systems specifically designed for table integration. The consistent cutting depth and straightforward controls make them particularly effective for production work in a table-mounted configuration. Plunge routers, while capable of table mounting, are often better suited to handheld operations. Their design emphasizes versatility in freehand use, though many professional models include features for table mounting. Some manufacturers offer specialized bases or mounting plates that adapt plunge routers for effective table use while maintaining their plunge capabilities for specific operations. So, which one is better? The choice between fixed base and plunge routers ultimately depends on a nuanced understanding of your specific woodworking needs, skill level, and project requirements. Fixed base routers remain the cornerstone of precision edge work and production routing, offering unmatched stability and ease of use that makes them indispensable in both professional workshops and hobbyist settings. Their straightforward operation, consistent performance, and lower cost of entry make them an excellent starting point for those beginning their woodworking journey.